Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change oil in a Ford F-150. First, gather your supplies. You'll need a new oil filter, the correct engine oil, and a new drain plug gasket. Make sure you have a drain pan, a wrench for the drain plug, and an oil filter wrench. Safety glasses and gloves are also highly recommended to protect yourself during the procedure. Having everything ready saves time and ensures a smooth process. Once your tools are ready, it's time to drain the old oil. Start by running your engine for a few minutes to warm the oil, making it flow better. Then, safely lift your truck or use ramps. Locate the oil drain plug on the oil pan. Position your drain pan directly underneath, then carefully remove the plug. Let all the old oil drain completely into the pan, which usually takes about 10 to 15 minutes. After the old oil has drained, replace the drain plug with a new gasket and tighten it properly. Next, remove the old oil filter using your filter wrench. Prepare your new filter by applying a thin film of fresh oil to its rubber gasket. Hand tighten the new filter until snug, then give it an additional quarter to half turn. Finally, add the recommended amount of new engine oil through the fill cap, typically around 6 to 8 quarts for an F-150. With the new oil in, replace the oil fill cap and check the dipstick to ensure the level is correct. Start your engine and let it run for a minute or two, then check for any leaks around the drain plug and oil filter. Turn off the engine, wait a few minutes, and recheck the oil level. Finally, remember to reset your truck's oil life monitor and take your used oil to an approved recycling facility for proper disposal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.